Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be talking about Tailwind CSS. So it's a CSS based framework used for styling. It's a lot similar to what you call inline styling. This framework provides us with the classes like Flex, PT4, Text Center and Rotate 90. And how it works is you take these classes and you add them in the class attribute of your tag without creating any .css file, and it's going to automatically apply that style which is in that class to your element. For example, consider this text center. So you can see the text center is here, and inside this div element all of this is coming. So all of this stuff, the alignment of all of this is in the center. Okay, so what I did is that I added a utility class of text center named text center in this div element, and what Tailwind did is it changed the alignment of all of this as the center. So that's how it works. Tailwind CSS can be used in cases when you want to customize your own UI. You have to build it from scratch. You don't have to import predefined components like in other CSS frameworks. So it's really helpful. It's a lot more flexible than other CSS frameworks out there, because it provides these multiple utility classes and you can customize them. For example, there is rotate 90, you can make it 45, 30, anything you want. It's a lot more customizable than other frameworks. Okay, now let's see how we can install it. Okay, let's go to docs, and here's the whole process of how to install Tailwind. Okay, now this is for vanilla JavaScript projects, but I'm gonna be looking down how to install Tailwind CSS with Create React app. Okay, you just have to go to Google and write Tailwind CSS installation React anything, and this will come up straight away. Okay, so first we have to create a project. So we're gonna do that in the VS Code. So the first step that you have to do is you have to create your React project. Okay, I have already created it, you can see it. I named it Tailwind. Okay, and after creating the project you have to install Tailwind CSS, and for that we have to copy this and we're gonna paste it here. We're gonna press enter and it's gonna download Tailwind, and after downloading Tailwind it's gonna create tailwind.config and postcss.config files. Okay, let's just wait for download to. Okay, it's completed. Okay, now let's see. So okay, here we have postcss.config file and tailwind.config file. Okay, now what we have to do is let's see what we have to do. We have to configure your template paths in the tailwind.config.js file. We have to add this content. Okay, let's go to tailwind.config and I have to add it here. So let's copy this thing and paste it here. Okay, then the next step is add the Tailwind directives to your CSS. In the index.css I have to add all these three things. Now in the index.css I'm going to do all of this and I'm going to add these three things. So these are the Tailwind directives. Okay, let's add it here and let's close both of these files. After that we can run our app. Okay, let's run our app. npm run start. Let's see what happens. Okay, our app is up and running. Now in the app.js, let's go to our app.js, and here is our app.js. I'm gonna remove all of this and I'm gonna add an h1 tag, simple. I'm gonna say hello world. Now it says I have to add these classes. Okay, first let's see how our hello world is looking. Okay, it's looking like this. Let's add the utility classes of Tailwind to see how it changes. So I'm gonna add this line, Control C and Control V. Let's see. Let's remove this logo from here and let's go to our React app. Okay, so you can see the changes in this hello world. What we did is we set the text to 3XL, we increased the size of the text, we made it bold, and we underlined our text. So these were the classes that we imported from Tailwind and added this whole thing added to the hello world. Our hello world changed instantly. If I remove this, all these styles will be removed, and okay, so all of these styles are removed. So this is how Tailwind works. Okay, we have to sort of act like these are some inline styles, and we have to import the classes, all the utility classes from Tailwind, and add it under the class name attribute. Okay, and that's how we're going to do it. That's it for the installation of Tailwind. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.